We're on a brand new adventure. We're going to walk the Diamond Way. It's a North Cotswolds route. It's 66 miles, but we're breaking it down into 30 circular walks, starting here, Moreton-in-Marsh. Moreton-in-Marsh in Gloucestershire, a thriving market town with a broad high street lined with elegant 17th and 18th century buildings. The start of the Diamond Way. The Grade 2 listed Redesdale Hall, the town hall of Moreton-in-Marsh, built in December 1887. As ever, I'm walking this route, the Diamond Way, with Bailey and Danny. We start the walk through some quiet residential streets, and even with the more modern buildings, doesn't the Cotswold stone look absolutely beautiful in the sunlight? So the Diamond Way was a route formed by the local Ramblers Association, and it was to commemorate the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II. And the route itself, the 66-mile route, is roughly diamond shaped, and it explores the North Cotswolds and makes a point of going through some of the most lovely villages and towns. So we're really looking forward to exploring it. Couldn't have picked a more perfect day. Through some very beautiful meadows. Oh, blimey. There's sheep in some of the adjoining fields, so just so this little rascal doesn't slip through a hole in the fencing, he can just stay on his extendy lead. So down in that dip down there is a disused railway line. Got this quite nice farm track, easy walking. Talking rubbish, it's an actual railway line. But we are hoping there's no bull in the field, and we're going up there. Now the footpath's not particularly marked, but it sort of looks like it comes up to this water trough. The app tells me it's very slightly to my right, but who knows? These beautiful colours. Anyway, back down the hill, and somewhere on the right will be our turning. Go! Come on, boys, let's go. So we've walked sort of over the top of that hill and come down there onto this cattle track. But actually, it looks like we should have come along the fence line, because that gate there indicates where we're going. So, little diversion, but nothing too bad. Apologies that my shadow keeps appearing in the film, but I'm obviously walking away from the sun. When we start our return leg, hopefully the sun will be in the other direction. Oh my goodness me, Danny. So this track continues up to the village of Aston Magna, which I can just make out some hazes up there, but you probably can't. This is where we leave the Diamond Way already. And hopefully our return leg will be just as pleasant. So this is a slightly rickety bench. Luckily, the little sort of streamy type thing that it's going over the top is very low. Plenty of sheep in the fields. Now we've come to a gate that you can't actually open. So I'm going to have to sort of climb over it, because as you can see, you can't get it either side of the post. We just want to go up to that stile there. Well, that was not easy with dogs. I had to lift the gate up to get them underneath it, over a stile that was very awkward for Bailey, up this slightly overgrown path, and now we're carrying on that way somewhere. There's lots of pheasants around here, so the boys are very excited. But I don't know where the sheep, if there's any sheep, so I've got to keep Danny on. This is a bit nicer. Open fields again. Looks like we're heading there. That beautiful blue sky that we had earlier has gone. I mean, it is forecast rain later on today. So we were lucky to get out earlier when it was so sunny and bright. And we came up there and just followed this very nice green grass around the corner to the farm. But actually, we need to go straight across. And I can just about make out the odd footprint. So somewhere over there is a stile that takes us back to the road. I have just pulled out hundreds of fuzzly wuzzlies that had stuck their ears together. As you can see, they're still covered in them. They've had a very good time. So over that stile, and this, as you can see, is the Foss Way. It's quite busy, and that corner means you can't really see what's coming. But anyway, we've made it over, back into the fields. So this is Lower Leamington. So as Leamington Spa is... Ooh, being towed by a dog. As Leamington Spa is in Warwickshire, which is the next county along. I wonder what Leamington means. Nice little quiet lane we're walking down now, past Leamington Manor, which I'm guessing that might be the driveway to. So we walked along a B road, which was nice enough, but, you know, fairly boring. So the last bit to Moreton-in-Marsh, we're sort of cutting through the edge of this new development and sort of wiggling our way to Moreton that way. Somewhere over there, two dogs having a last little run off the lead before we get back to the car. So it's very pleasant cutting through this new build estate. They are all, as you can see, lovely houses. And then there's this nice little park. So this has been, apart from that one little bit with a very awkward gate and a very awkward style, has been a really nice walk. It's going to be the first of a series of short walks exploring the North Cotswold Diamond Way and some of the lovely villages in and around the Cotswolds. So we're going to have a look around Moreton-in-Marsh when we get back. Maybe grab a croissant, because I've seen a lovely bakery there. And yeah, enjoy Moreton-in-Marsh. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next leg.